Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Earbuds TinHiFi T3 Plus to your PC. And all you need to have for this is just a cable to receive in the package. So right here we have a 2-pin plug and mini jack 3.5. On the sides on your headphones we have a 2-pin port, so you need to connect this plug to the port. Let's do this for the right one. The cable will have the information, so this one is for the right one and this one is for the left earbud. Now let's connect the right one firstly and the left one. And now you need to connect mini jack cable to aux port on your PC or laptop. And that's it. Now you can use it. We have no power button here, so you don't need to turn on your headphones. You can already use it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!